Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Ashokul Alam Rafid from Software Engineering Department of Daffodil International University. Here I am going to discuss about functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional and non-functional testing are two types of software testing. Software testing is a process to evaluate the functionality of a software program with an intent to find whether the developed software met the specified requirements or not, and to identify the defects to ensure that the product is defect free in order to produce the quality product. Software testing is of two types: functional testing and non-functional testing. First, we are going to describe about functional testing. Functional testing is a type of software testing that validates the software system against the functional requirements or specifications. It mainly involves black box testing, and it is not concerned about the source code of application. This testing can be done either manually or using automation. Functional testing check user interface, IPIS, database, security, client or server communication, and functionality of the application user test. Functional testing tends to answer such questions as can the user do this, or does this particular feature work. Functional testing is of many types such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, sanity testing, smoke testing, interface testing, regression testing, and acceptance testing. How what do we test in functional testing? We mainly test mainline functions, basic usability, accessibility, and error conditions in functional testing. How to perform functional testing? To perform functional testing, firstly we must understand the software requirements. Then we must identify the test input or test data. Then we must compute the expected outcomes with the selected test input values. Then we have to execute test cases. Lastly, we must compare the actual and computed expected results. So there are many software examples of functional testing such as Redis Studio, that is all-in-one functional test automation for desktop, web, and mobile apps with feel which is built in Selenium WebDriver. Selenium, popular open source of functional testing tool. Then we have Qtp, which is very usable, very user-friendly functional tool by HP. Then we have JUnit, which is used mainly for Java applications. Then we have Watir, which is used for web applications. Now, non-functional testing. Non-functional testing is defined as a type of software testing to check non-functional aspects such as performance, usability, reliability, etc. of a software application. Non-functional testing is equally important as functional testing and affects client satisfaction. Functional testing tends to answer such questions as how many people can log in at once, or how easy is it to hack this software. So there are many types of non-functional testing like performance testing, LAN testing, failover testing, compatibility testing, security testing, and many more. Non-functional testing objectives are to increase usability, efficiency, maintainability, portability of the product. It helps to reduce production risk and cost associated with non-functional aspects of the product. Then it optimizes the way product is installed, set up, executes, managed, and monitored. It collects and produces measurements and metrics for internal research and development. It also improves and enhances knowledge of the product, behavior, and technologies in use. So, for non-functional testing characterizes is non-functional testing should be measurable, so there is no place for subjective characterizations like good, better, best, etc. Exact numbers are unlikely to be known at the start of the requirement process. The importance of to prioritize it has to importance the priorities of the requirements. It ensures that the quality attributes are identified correctly in the software engineering. So, non-functional testing parameters. Non-functional testing tests for security, availability, efficiency, integrity, reliability, servability, flexibility, usability, scalability, and many other things, and ensure that these parts works well and satisfy the customer. We have many examples for non-functional testing such as JMeter, Loadstar, LoadRunner, NeoLoad, Forecast, Load Complete, and Web Server Stress Troll. So that's all about non-functional and functional testing. So thank you very much.